Please subscribe my channel. And press the bell icon button, like, comment, share. A large number of new calibers have come on the scene to complement some of the existing cartridges that make the AR platform a perfect choice for your big game hunt of a lifetime. If you're in the market for a new hunting rifle, now's the time to strike. Assuming you've made a decision on the cartridge, it's time to consider your rifle. We would love to help you find the perfect AR rifle for your next big game hunt. Here is a selection of some of the best AR hunting rifles to help you reach out and bag that trophy of a lifetime. Because of the prevalence of the platform, it didn't take long for our style rifles to become popular among hunters. Some purists will say these modern sporting rifles have no place in the hunting blind, but they'd be wise to look around before saying such things too loudly. In the standard chambering, the AR has proven to be a great gun for varmints and other small game. But what if you wanted to hunt something bigger, like, oh, I don't know, say an elk or a bear? Is there an AR out there suitable for such a hunt? You bet there is. If you finally drew that coveted tag and are planning for your next big game hunting adventure, don't overlook one of the most important tools at your disposal, your hunting rifle. The AR platform gets a lot of attention, and for good reason. It is one of the most reliable and versatile firearms ever created. Home defense, distance shooting, long and short-barreled rifles are all possible with a single AR-15, which is why it's one of the most popular semi-automatic rifles available today.
Ross here with Daniel Defense, and today I want to talk to you about our ambush lineup of firearms. So our ambush configurations come in 3 different calibers. We have 300 Blackout, 5.56, and 6.8 SPC2. The main difference between these 3 calibers is that the 300 Blackout is going to come with a 16-inch barrel, the 5.56 and the 6.8 both come with an 18-inch barrel. What you'll notice difference from these versus the rest of our lineup is that they all have a thread protector on the end. They don't come with a flash hider. Well, why is that? Well, as a hunter, I know that I want to have the option to put a suppressor on the end of my rifle if I'm out coyote hunting, or if I'm trying to shoot longer ranges at deer or whatever it may be, I might want to put a muzzle brake on the end. We leave that option up to you guys, the end user. All of these configurations are going to come with a Kryptek Highlander Hydro Dip finish, as well as a Geissele SSA 2-stage trigger, ambidextrous selector lever, as well as a Daniel Defense ambidextrous grip and rip charging handle. These rifles are designed with hunters in mind and are an ideal rifle for any hunting condition that you might be in.
This is the Ruger AR-556 MPR, chambered in .450 Bushmaster. What sets this rifle apart is a high-strength super alloy bolt with a unique bolt lug geometry, making it the strongest, most reliable modern sporting rifle chambered in .450 today. This rifle features an 18 5/8-inch nitrided barrel for accuracy and velocity, and it's capped with a radial port muzzle brake to help tame the recoil of the cartridge. Of course, it's threaded 11/16/24, which is a standard thread pitch for suppressors for these big bore cartridges. We have a 15-inch free flow M-LOK handguard that gives you a lot of adaptability and versatility, and it sits over our carbine length gas system that's the most reliable way to power a .450 Bushmaster AR. The upper and lower receivers are machined from mil-spec forgings, hard-coat anodized, and features an enlarged port for reliable ejection. Ruger's Elite 452 trigger gives you a sure, crisp trigger pull and is paired with Magpul's MOE grip and MOE SL buttstock. With a 5-round magazine, a cartridge that delivers twice the energy of 5.56 NATO, this becomes a perfect rifle for big whitetail, bear, pigs, and heavy steel.
Everyone, Bighorn Armory here. In this video, we'll give you a quick rundown of the AR-500 rifle, the most powerful AR on the market, chambered in .500 Automax. But we'll get to that in a minute. Right now, let's take a look at the rifle. The AR-500 is built on a modified AR-10 size frame. It has all the features you'd expect from a premium AR. 70-75 billet aluminum receivers, ambidextrous safety selector, ambidextrous bolt release. It has a flared magazine well and anti-walk trigger pins. The lower is machined to accept AR-15 size magazines, which hold the 500 Automax round. The upper receiver has an enlarged ejection port for case clearance, a free float M-LOK handguard with a folding Picatinny rail, has an 18-inch stainless steel barrel with an adjustable gas block, and of course it's threaded and comes with a muzzle brake. What really sets the AR-500 apart from all other ARs, of course, is the cartridge, the 500 Automax. This is a rimless 500 Smith & Wesson Magnum designed to feed from a box magazine in a semi-auto rifle. This gives the shooter all the power and versatility of the 500 Smith & Wesson Magnum, but in a capable, comfortable, and familiar semi-auto AR. The 500 Automax cartridge is extremely versatile. Factory loads are available between 350 and 600 grains. For the reloader, bullets are available between 200 and 700 grains in almost any style possible, including hardcast, jacketed hollow points, monolithic solids, etc. This makes the 500 Automax capable of handling anything from light-skinned game to the largest, toughest animals on the planet, and then some. The 500 Automax is very easy to reload. It uses the same shell holders, shell plates, dies, loading data as the 500 Smith & Wesson Magnum, but we'll cover that in another video. The AR-500 and 500 Automax is more than capable of reaching out to 200 yards or so when sighted in a few inches high at 100 yards. This is more than adequate for the vast majority of hunting situations. We'll go over loads, velocities, and trajectories in another video. So if you're a big bore fan or a current 500 Smith & Wesson Magnum owner, you definitely owe it to yourself to check out the Bighorn Armory AR-500 chambered in 500 Automax. It's the most powerful AR on the market, and with the amazing bullet selection available, it's an incredibly versatile platform. You can find us at bighornarmory.com, on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Please hit that like and subscribe button.
Daniel Defense, bringing you your first look today at the DD5 Hunter. This is our newest addition to the DD5 series of rifles. It's going to come with all of the standard upgrades that you're going to see on a regular DD5, including our grip and rip ambidextrous charging handle, the new super finish DLC coated bolt, our adjustable gas block, and our superior suppression device. Some of the things that are going to be unique to this rifle, you'll notice right off the bat, is our Cryptic Highlander camo that's going to be on here, and something you may not notice is going to be a Geissele SSA trigger. We haven't forgotten about all our hunters out there, our fans of the product that use this for game pursuit, and that's one of the reasons that this trigger is in here. It's a nice two-stage trigger that's really going to help you out when it comes to taking a little slack out of that trigger, tracking that game across the field, and then squeezing off that round right when you need to. It's going to be available in two new calibers, our 6.5 Creedmoor and 260 Remington, as well as the old standby 308 Winchester. It's going to also be available in 18 and 20-inch barrels, so you'll have your choice of that. If you have any questions about this rifle, feel free to visit us at danieldefense.com. We feel that this rifle is going to be the perfect gun for your next hunt.
To introduce the Minimalist SD. The Minimalist SD is an enhanced carbine meant to be rugged, lightweight, and accurate. The Minimalist SD weighs 6 pounds, which is phenomenal given the features. And it comes in two calibers, both 5.56 and 300 Blackout. The 5.56 barrel is light in contour, chrome moly steel with a 1 1/8 twist, which is great for mid to heavy grain weights. The 300 Blackout has a heavy contour 1 7 twist barrel, which is perfect for subsonic loads. Both barrels are melanite or FNC treated, which is an extremely durable, long-lasting barrel treatment. The 5.56 has a carbine length gas system, and the 300 Blackout has a pistol length gas system. The handguard on the Minimalist SD is a brand new design from AAC called the Square Drop, which is cross-compatible with Keybond. It has attachment points at each 45-degree angle, with a flush fit top Picatinny rail. The upper and lower are mil-spec with a matching hardcoat anodized finish. The trigger is an ALG Advanced Combat trigger, which is impeccably tuned mil-spec single-stage trigger. It has a 5.5-pound, very clean and crisp pull. The trigger has a nickel boron finish for enhanced wear and corrosion resistance. The BFI Minimalist SD comes standard with a full complement of Mission First Tactical furniture and magazine. The grip is Mission First Tactical's Engage Grip. which features additional texturing, enhanced backstrap, and trapdoor storage. The MFT Minimalist Collapsing Stock is a stylish, lightweight, compact stock with a rubber butt pad, multiple locations for sling attachment, and a flush latch. The gun also comes with the Mission First Tactical Standard Capacity 30-round magazine. All in all, the Minimalist SD has a great complement of lightweight, innovative features that make it perfect for many different uses, like competition, hunting, and self-defense.
Thanks for watching. Product by link given in description.